What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video here at Chalub Lab. Today, we are doing a deep technical dive into one of the most advanced vehicles on the market in 2026, which is the BYD Tan. Now, I have to start with a backstage curiosity that most people do not know. Did you know that internationally, this car is actually called the BYD Tang with a G at the end? The name is a direct tribute to the Tang dynasty, which was one of the most prosperous eras in Chinese history. However, when BYD planned the launch in Brazil, the marketing team noticed a tiny problem. Nobody wanted to pay nearly $100,000 for a luxury SUV just to have their friends joke that they bought a car named after a powdered juice brand. It is a 100% true story. They dropped the G to distance the car from the drink and renamed it the Tan. But hey, do not go anywhere, because in a few minutes I'm going to show you a secret feature of this car that can literally save your house if the power goes out in your neighborhood. Now, before we get into the engineering stuff you love, I need to share a crazy stat from my analytics. Data shows that 99% of you watching Chalub Lab right now, enjoying all this free technical content, are not subscribed to the channel. Come on, do not be part of that group. If this content helps you understand cars or prepares you for the market, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notifications. We're on the countdown to our first 500 subscribers, and your subscription is the only fuel that keeps Chalub bringing these machines to you in detail. Done? Let us get straight to the point. The soul of this 7-seater giant lies in the E-Platform 3.0. Forget those adapted platforms the competition uses, where they take an internal combustion car and just stuff batteries into the floor. Here, the project was designed from the ground up to be 100% electric. The big technical secret that almost no one explains to you is the cell-to-body technology. In a standard electric vehicle, the battery is a heavy passive box hanging from the chassis. In the 2026 Tan, the blade battery is an integral part of the car's structure itself. This increases torsional rigidity by 100% compared to a conventional SUV. In practice, this means a car that does not twist in tight corners, has zero structural rattles, and allows for an ultra-low center of gravity, which is vital for a 4.97-meter-long SUV. Furthermore, BYD uses an 8-in-1 system here that integrates in a single 150-kilogram unit the motor, the controller, the transmission, the battery management system, the power distribution unit, the transformer, the onboard charger, and the vehicle controller. This integration reduces heat loss and raises system efficiency to an impressive 89%. On the exterior, the Dragon face design is aggressive, featuring adaptive full LED headlights. But look at this detail on the 22-inch wheels. We have 6-piston Brembo brakes on the front. Many people think this is just for looks, but think about the physics. The Tan weighs nearly 2.5 tons and delivers instant torque. To stop all that mass coming from a high speed, you need high-performance monoblock calipers and cross-drilled ventilated discs that dissipate heat with maximum efficiency. Without Brembos here, you would experience massive brake fading on the very first steep mountain descent with a loaded car. When we open the door, luxury is absolute with Alcantara and genuine leather finishes. But the star of the show is the 15.6-inch floating screen with electric rotation. You press a button on the steering wheel and it flips to vertical mode. Does that sound like a gimmick? It is not. In vertical mode, your navigation view, like Waze or Google Maps, is infinitely superior, showing much more of the road ahead rather than the sidewalks. The audio is a masterpiece by Dyne Audio, with 12 high-fidelity speakers and a total output of 775 watts that makes you feel like you're in a recording studio. But hold on, because now comes the part that really hurts the competition: safety. The Tan comes standard with 7 airbags, including a brand new center airbag between the front seats. Do you know what it's for? It prevents the heads of the driver and passenger from violently colliding in the event of a severe side impact. This is a level of safety that even brands like Volvo only recently started adopting. The ADAS Level 2 Plus package features the Die Pilot system with 360-degree cameras that process images to create a transparent chassis view, letting you see rocks or potholes exactly beneath the wheels while maneuvering. Regarding performance, brace your neck. There are 2 electric motors, one on each axle, delivering intelligent all-wheel drive and generating 517 horsepower and 71.4 kilograms of torque available at 0 RPM. The result? 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.4 seconds. It's a 7-seater family SUV that accelerates faster than a Porsche 918 or a BMW 3 Series. To manage all this raw power, it uses the dissecting suspension. Forget standard springs. We have dampers with electronic valves that adjust in milliseconds using ultrasonic sensors. If the car detects you've entered a corner too fast, it stiffens the outer dampers to prevent body roll. If you're on a cobblestone road, it softens the load to ensure no one inside feels the bumps. Now let's talk about the crown jewel, the 108.8 kilowatt-hour Blade battery made of lithium iron phosphate. This is the most stable and safest battery chemistry in the world. Unlike the nickel-cobalt batteries used by German brands, lithium iron phosphate can handle 100% charge cycles every single day without rapid chemical degradation. In the famous nail penetration test, where other brands' batteries explode and catch fire, the BYD Blade barely gets warm, staying between 30 and 60 degrees Celsius. It delivers a range of 430 kilometers under the strict in-metro standard. But if you know how to use regenerative braking in the city, you can easily push that to 500 or 530 kilometers. Charging supports up to 110 kilowatts, meaning at a fast charger, you go from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes. And here's the secret I promised you: vehicle-to-load technology. If the power goes out at home, you plug an adapter into the car's charging port, and it becomes a 3.3 kilowatt mobile generator. You can power your fridge, your Wi-Fi, and your TV, keeping your house functional while the rest of the neighborhood is in the dark. Comparing it to the current market, the Tan is here to crush the Volvo XC90 Recharge and the BMW X5. It delivers more pure electric power and a real 7-seater interior for a price that is significantly lower than its rivals. Against the Toyota SW4, there is no contest. The Tan is a high-tech, high-performance beast, while the Toyota still relies on an old-school, noisy diesel engine. In after-sales, BYD is playing to win the consumer trust for good, with an 8-year battery warranty and a 6-year total vehicle warranty. The fixed-brace services are the ultimate rational selling point. A 20,000-kilometer service costs about 380 reais, since the car has no engine oil, no spark plugs, and no belts to change. Plus, their 80% buyback guarantee program finally kills the fear of Chinese car depreciation. The 2026 BYD Tan is the definitive proof that Chinese engineering hasn't just caught up with the Europeans, it has surpassed them in several crucial aspects of value and innovation. So, after this full technical breakdown, would you have the guts to ditch the traditional diesel SW4 for this 517 horsepower tech monster? Let me know in the comments, Tan or SW4? I want to see the debate down there. Thanks for watching another deep dive here at Chalub Lab. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!